Hello everyone, welcome you all in this today's lecture on special forming processes. So today's topic of our lecture is questions and answer session part 2. So first of all, we will discuss about the true and false statements that already asked in your examinations. So first statement is, in roller forming, side rolls and cluster rolls are used to provide greater precision and flexibility and to limit stresses on the material. So this statement is true, guys. Now second statement is, electromagnetic forming process is only applicable for electrically conducting materials and is not suitable for large work process. This statement, guys, is true. Now third statement is, the spinability of the materials is dependent on the material to be shear form. This is also statement, guys, is true. Now fourth statement is, in backward flow forming spoon material flows under the roller in opposite direction of the feed motion of roller and towards the unsupported end of the mandrel. This is also true statement, guys. Now fifth statement is, electrohydraulic forming can be used to form poor conducting work materials. This is also true statement, guys. Now sixth statement is, the large and thick parts can be economically and efficiently shaped by explosive forming in comparison to EMF process. This is also true statement, guys. Now these are the 6 statements as shown on PPT. All these 6 statements are true, and these statements asked in your examination. Each statement asks for 2 marks. Okay, so this is all about the true and false statement of special forming process. Now guys, we will discuss about the some of the MCQ of special forming processes. The first MCQ is, the normal stress is in the same in the directions at a point in a fluid only when. So first option is, the fluid is frictional. The second option is, the fluid is frictionless and incompressible. The third option is, the fluid has zero viscosity and is at rest. And fourth option is, one fluid layer has no motion relative to an adjacent layer. So correct answer is B, that is, the fluid is frictionless and incompressible. Now this is second MCQ. So statement of MCQ is, which one of the following metal forming process is not a high energy rate forming process? A. Electromagnetic forming, B. Roller forming, C. Explosive forming, and D. Electrohydraulic forming. So correct answer is B, that is roller forming. That means these 4 forming process are metal forming process, but roll forming process is not a high energy rate forming process. The high energy rate forming process is electromagnetic forming process, explosive forming process, and electrohydraulic forming process. Now next question, guys, the Mode of deformation of the metal during spinning is A. Bending, B. Stretching, C. Rolling and stretching, and D. Bending and stretching. So correct answer is D, that is bending and stretching. That means the mode of deformation of the metal during spinning is bending and stretching. Now next question guys, what is the process of making sheet metal components to the contour of a die by making use of an explosive impact known as explosive cladding, explosive welding, explosive forming, and explosive joining. So correct answer is C, that is explosive forming. Next question, the spring back effect in press working is A. Elastic recovery of the sheet metal after removal of the load, B. Regaining the original shape of the sheet metal, C. Release of stored energy in the sheet metal, D. Partial recovery of the sheet metal. The correct answer is A, that is elastic recovery of the sheet metal after removal of the load. Now guys, last question, the magnetic forming is an example of A. Cold forming, B. Hot forming, C. High energy rate forming, and D. Roll forming. So correct answer is C, that is high energy rate forming. That is magnetic forming is an example of high energy rate forming process. So guys, these are the some of the MCQs which asked in your examinations. Okay, so do you have any questions regarding match the pair, true and false statements, and MCQ statements? You can drop the message at our WhatsApp group, or you can chat in our Moodle chat room. Okay, thank you.